welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. This is the start of a new school year, so it's the start of my new vlog for the year. First, I want to say thank you to all of those who are here from last year, and you'll be in the start of it with me as I start to try and grow my channel incrementally. I'm not looking for big growth. I just feel like I'm talking to friends, so I still want it to remain intimate that way. But anyways, so here I am in Michigan in my new classroom. I left off last year not knowing if I was even going to come back to teaching. And this summer was tough because I'm here in Michigan with no teaching certification. And so I'm like, no one's going to hire me. You know, in Florida, I had my temporary certification, which was good for 3 years, but they don't transfer. So I had to come up here with nothing. And I'm like, no one's going to hire me. I might as well find another, career path or something like that. But, when something is set up for you, it's set up for you. I don't know if you believe in God and the universe, divine power, whatever. It's like, this is what I'm supposed to be doing with my life right now. So, but anyways, so I start putting applications in all over the counties. Specifically this county, because it's quite low income. And when I talk to folks, oh, stay away from that county. That's where I need to go, right? So I put in a couple applications and I got a couple calls. This job and another one down the street a little bit, and it's a public school as well. So I had my phone interview here and it was successful. So the next day they called and said, come in, we'd like to interview you in front of the board. So I go in and it was a great success. And then I'm like, do they know that I don't have my certification right? I'm like, do they know this? So the next day I get a call from the woman who I had the phone interview with from HR. And she's like, yeah, what are you doing about your certification? I was like, whew, right? And so now everything's in the clear. I go take my test this Friday, which means, look, I'm nervous. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. So I go take my Michigan teacher certification test Friday. So I have till October to pass it. So that's what my contract says. You have till October, blah, blah, blah. So I'm good. This is my class. It's much bigger than my class in Florida. I have so much to do. I've met one great friend. She was actually on the interview board, and she's the interventionist here, and she's been here all morning with me. I left the house about 9:30, and here it is 1 o'clock. So I took a video this morning of the before of my classroom. I have so much to do. So we come back next week. Today is Tuesday, August 15th. We come back next week, and the students come back first week of September. So I'm going to finish putting all my desks and things like that out, and I've got some stuff to take home to wash and things like that. And I'll be back tomorrow because I want to have everything set in place today. I'm going to come back tomorrow with Marvin and Mia, and we're going to just take and wipe everything down. And then Friday or Thursday or Friday, I'm not sure yet, I'm going to come back and start bringing my personal stuff in to decorate the walls and everything like that. So, all right, let me give you let me finish doing what I'm doing, which is, I know I have no makeup on, my hair is not done. I shouldn't have done the video today, but I really wanted to get you guys into my new class. This is me with no makeup. So I just kind of want to finish setting up my desk and everything like that, and then I'll take you on a tour. All right, here's a tour. I just emptied this closet out. So obviously I'm going to be using that to hold my supplies. Over here is just really like for parents and teachers. I'm not sure yet, guys. This is my morning meeting area here. So there's the door to come in. That's got to go. I'm really not sure. I'm actually thinking about asking them to remove them. But she did say that I have one Chromebooks and I need a lot of space to charge them. So I'm thinking about keeping that one and just having that one removed because I have this. So this is where like the morning work, the turn-in station, all that. Or maybe, I don't know. I'm still working on it. But she gave me a mailbox, so that was cool. There's so much stuff in here, guys. Math curriculum. I'm going to take that home and study this week. This is for the couch. It's a cover. These books I found everywhere around the classroom, and she said, yeah, I don't know, you can have them. So it's a whole bunch of books. They're not leveled. I'm going to take those home and level them. Here's the desks, of course, groups of 4. My corner. This is just some of her files. But I'm actually going to go through those because it's things like, you know, she says it's a lot of worksheets in there. So I'm going to get a chance to go through them, maybe during Christmas break. This is my area. I have a lot of stuff that I use behind my desk. Read, close reads, books and things like that. This is all curriculum. She said she used this chair last year. I'm not feeling it. So I'm going to see if I can get a new chair for me. My desk area. So I can see everything. They're not allowed in that corner if I'm not over there with small groups. Alright. Here, I don't know why this, I really like this. I just don't know why. So I'm going to put like pretty pens and things like that in there. More books. I have so much cleaning to do. More books. And right now I have a total of 30 desks or 31 desks with my tab out desk in the corner. This one needs to go. I just don't have the room. And they said I'll have 25 students, so hopefully I'll be able to get rid of a lot of these desks. Here's my teaching area. Hey. My whiteboard, which is a mess, I think. And I said, can I have those markers? She said, sure. They don't have whiteboards, but they do have these. So that's cool. So I'll be sitting from here, teaching. Direct teaching. Oh, here comes someone. It's my vice principal going into the other 5th grade class. So they'll be coming over here in a minute. This is, if you want to read, sit down and read. If you don't want to go into the library, but this is for reading. And then, of course, from my last class, I have other seats. These I'm also going to use as seats. So this is my reading corner. Air conditioners. Small group. And of course, I have a lot of my own stuff to still bring in here. These are both small group whiteboards. This one here hangs up. It's so cool. And then they said no one really uses that door. I can, but I don't think I will. So yeah, here's my class. I'm so excited. And this is what I found. Check this out. I like it. Cool off rules. So I'm going to use it just as it is. And then I also found this reflection page. So, yeah. There's the start of my class. I have 2 weeks before school starts. So I have a lot of work to do. I will be back tomorrow. Hi guys, day number 2. I got here at about 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's now 2 o'clock. I'm tired. I have my kids with me today. I got some stuff done, but I have so much more to do. So when they first come in, of course, hopes and dreams are the first thing that we do. Inspiration. I have to ask my principal if I can take this down. I can't stand it. All right, hold on. Let me turn you around and show you what I've got done for day 2. All right. So here's my door. And then when you come in, it's going to be computers right here. and just some inspiration stuff to start the year off. So computers, and I want one more of these. I have a feeling these are going to be great for computer storage. I don't know, I just have a feeling. I only have this one closet, so I'm trying to figure out. I don't want to keep that stuff down there like that. That's cluttered, and I don't want to do that. So what I don't use, I'm either going to put it in the closet or give it away. And then of course this stuff actually goes on the kids' table. I just have to separate that stuff out. This is for centers. This is going in my desk. Paint stuff. This is my centers area. And these, I don't know if they're required, but I found them in here and I like them. Character choices, and this is a choice school. So my centers, and then this will be to hang my jobs. So what I decided was, this is 5th grade, but I have a lot of 4th grade anchor charts, and I don't know, it might work, it might not. Behind my desk, as you saw already, curriculum, and these are books that I teach with. Just some of my desk I have not done yet, so. But I've got to do something with that. I thought Florida was horrible as far as things falling. Oh my gosh. So, but then of course the desk will be set up like with the accountability talk. And then these will have all the goodies, pencils, erasers, crayons, everything they need. And then I have an extra storage in the back. Really, character traits. I'm tired, guys. It's taking me long to beat it down. I've decided to change my word wall up a little bit. I'm going to put it right underneath of my board. And these are just growth mindset stuff that I'm going to be teaching first couple days of school. I need to hang that up. That's cursive numbers. Cursive numbers. You ever heard of such? Cursive numbers. It's going to go right up next to my cursive. And so my DJ was helping me, and he decided, oh, it's easy to put them in here. Come on, dude. So I'm going to have to redo all of those. Could have been a good idea, but no, it's not going to work. Something has to go here. So I'm thinking, since our SMART goals are going to go here, maybe look at what we can do. This will be, I'll use the door to show off their work since no one uses that door. Small group. Library. The book hospital. I don't quite have all of my, obviously. I forgot to bring my library. Well, that's okay. Verbs and things like that. And of course, growth mindset stuff. I'm actually wanting more because it starts there and stops there, and I want a lot more. So I'm going to go and look and print some things out tonight or this weekend. And then over here is my turn-in station. I'm going to hang this up outside. My turn-in station and social studies. Guys, I don't know what to do with this, and I'm thinking about getting rid of it because it's just taking up space. So, all right, here's my glass. Oh, and then in the middle is my projector stuff. And this room was just painted, but they didn't put these back on. So, and the old teacher that was in here, some pictures and things I thought she might want, so I kept them. But here's day 2. I'll be back this weekend to finish up what we started.